I'm Cody Story, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on your computer screen for free using a Mac and QuickTime Player. Now, what's cool is you can actually do this, like I said, for free. I thought in the beginning that you needed some software that was gonna cost some money to be able to pull this off. But the cool thing is, you don't. So let's make our way on down to the computer and get started. All right, let's get started recording yourself and your computer screen at the same time. Step number one is to click on QuickTime Player. And I suggest actually putting that icon for QuickTime Player right into your dock, because it's going to make things really easy as you move forward into the future. Now that you've clicked on QuickTime Player, a little bit of a tongue twister there, go up to File and then come on down to where it says New Movie Recording and click on that. And this window, voila, is going to pop up. And now you are connected, what up, to your webcam. Now I don't need the video to be that big, so I'm going to minimize it, make it as small as I can. Drag it on down to the bottom right-hand corner. And you don't need to actually record through QuickTime Player by clicking this button. So I'm going to actually drag my mouse off of that window so it disappears, because it's just not sexy, folks. Number two is minimizing the window, which we just did. So let's go right into step number three, which is to use the quick key to now record your computer screen, which is Command-Shift-5. Once again, Command-Shift-5. You're going to have some options pop up to record, one of which is capture entire screen, capture selected window, or capture selected portion. Whichever one you prefer. Now, if you wanted to capture a selected portion, all you got to do is drag it by the corners. But for today, we're going to be actually recording the entire screen. Now, I'm already recording using this software, which is free, obviously, just like QuickTime Player. It's free. They're both super easy to use. I don't actually need to record, so I'm not going to click this button. But if you are not recording right now and you want to record your screen, plus you want to record your webcam, be sure to click the record button. I already did it, so I'm just going to exit out. Simple as that. Next is, if you open up the internet, guess what? You disappear. Bye-bye. But you probably don't want that. So I'm going to actually minimize that window. You probably want your video footage, which is right here, to float on top. Well, guess what? There is a solution to that problem, which is step number 4. All you got to do is click on QuickTime Player again, go up to the top where it says View, and then come on down to Float on Top. I'm going to open up the internet once again, and as the web browser opens, guess what? You are now floating on top, just like I am. And you could go to another page. Boom. Whatever page you want to go to, you will remain on top. So your audience or whoever's watching your content can see you and whatever you are talking about on your computer screen. So I'm going to minimize that once again. And the last step is just to click Stop Recording. The video file is actually going to pop up on my desktop, as you can see here. And I'm going to double click that. I'm going to minimize this window just a little bit, bring it over here, and you will be able to see, if I press play, that, I'm going to fast forward, this is the tutorial that we both just walked through. You'll see the computer screen here. You'll also see the webcam video down there. I'll fast forward a little more, and let's go all the way down, or fast forward even more. There you go. Boom. 5 simple steps. It's as easy as that. And like I mentioned earlier, the best part about it, if you're like me and you're bootstrapped and you're on a budget, it's free. All right, there you go. It's that simple. Now you know how to record yourself on your computer screen through your webcam. I hope you found this video to be helpful or valuable, and I just want to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any comments you'd like to let me know, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And remember to click subscribe, keep supporting the channel so I can keep on making how-to videos just like this. Alrighty, enjoy, take care, adios, peace out.